What if the space you call home has no basement, attic, or garage from which to borrow space? Well, that's a situation faced by many owners of condos and co-ops in large cities. Recently, I was in Milwaukee and I got a chance to see how some of these urban dwellers go about finding more space. Now, this is a great example of that type of urban living. Now, this building was built about 40 years ago as an apartment complex, and over the years it's been changed to condominiums, so it allowed individuals to buy the separate units and renovate them any way they want. Well, one of the most popular renovations in this building has been removing as many walls as they possibly can to make their little bitty space feel a lot larger. It also gave them some great views of beautiful Lake Michigan. But when you start removing interior walls, it can present a storage challenge. In the original floor plan, you entered the apartment passing the kitchen on the left and the door to the bedroom on the right as you moved into the living room. There was almost no view at all from the kitchen because a wall divided it from the living room, and the opening to the dining area was so narrow. Even though these walls blocked the views, they also housed storage in the form of closets, cabinets, and shelving. With the new floor plan, the whole apartment is opened up with views in two different directions, so the storage has been moved into cabinetry. On the outer walls with no windows, the cabinets run floor to ceiling and offer storage of all kinds. Underneath the windows, base cabinets use the space in two different ways. First, they create horizontal storage or workspace on top of them. Second, they have the inside, which features open space with adjustable shelves, as well as roll-out drawers for some of the smaller items. Even the view from the bedroom has been opened up to maximize the feel of space. But again, cabinets offer the storage that was lost from the elimination of the closets. You know, cabinets are a great way to maximize your storage space, but you got to keep in mind, by the time you buy cabinets and have them installed, you spend a lot more money than just simply customizing closets. But if you have a situation like our friends there in Milwaukee where you can really enhance your view, probably well worth the money.